Hello everyone. In the earlier two videos in this series of working etiquette, we looked at two acronyms. This video will be the last of this series. Here we'll be going through the acronym POWER. So the first letter is P, which stands for punctuality. Be on time. If you are to attend a court proceeding and if you are not present when your matter is called up, then the judge will enter the same in his remarks, which can even affect your case during the judgment stage. In the same way, if you are having a meeting with your client and you end up showing up late, it gives a wrong impression to that client. We need to respect both our and the other person's time. Next is O, which stands for on top of things. It means being well prepared. Being well prepared about your matter gives you an edge over your opponent. It helps you when the judge asks some clarification or to point out when the opposite lawyer's facts are wrong. Being prepared also boosts your confidence. Before going to a meeting with a potential client, it is better if we prepare about what all matters need to be discussed. For example, what all questions we need to ask and what kind of clarifications or queries that potential client may put to us. This makes the meeting to be more engaging and also helps us to identify some of the red flags in the early stage itself. The next letter is W, which stands for well-dressed. A well-dressed person commands respect even before we get to know that person. Am I not right? A lawyer has a set way of dressing before entering a court hall or before presenting oneself before the judge through video conference. This distinguishes a lawyer from the public. At law offices too, it is advised to be dressed up in formals. It also indicates professionalism. Next is the exchange of cards. Advocates are not permitted to advertise, so networking plays a crucial role in the law field. An extended network also means good connections. Good connections help us to grow our client base. Though we can meet other advocates physically, networking on large scale is difficult. However, it is now the age of going digital. Having a digital presence and growing our network on professional networking sites has become a highlighting feature in order to improve our networking habits. Connecting through LinkedIn, Twitter, or similar sites have helped the lawyers community to share knowledge, seek advice, and also to introduce themselves to the world. The last letter is R, which stands for respectfulness. Don't allow distractions to overpower when having a meeting. In order to have a meaningful conversation when speaking to a person face to face, it is better if we keep our phone or laptop aside. Listening to the other person properly and responding accordingly shows that we respect the other person, her words, and her time. I have noticed some people who call others in the middle of an interaction with the clients and spend several minutes on the call right in front of those clients. Even an excuse was not asked, and the confusion on the client's face was evident. We need to respect the client's time too. Next time, when you remember to call a carpenter to fix your room's shelf in the middle of a meeting and you feel that you might forget later, mark it down on your notepad and call the carpenter after finishing your meeting. Your client will thank you for showing respect and not wasting his time. Even when having online meetings like the Zoom calls or the Google Meet, there too we need to maintain respectfulness. Interrupting the speaker unreasonably, starting your own debate in the middle of a session is not at all welcoming attitudes. Let the speaker finish what he or she has to present. It is better if we adhere to the meeting guidelines. Did you come across any unnecessary disturbance by other participants during your video conferences? Share your thoughts in the comment section. So that was all about the series regarding working etiquettes. Hope you liked it. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.